Hello, I'm Richard Campbell and I'm the Technical Director for Hydrosense, and today I'll be giving you an instructional video for the Industrial Field Test EU kit. The test kit is used for sampling from shower heads and also from pipe fittings, and can also be used for sampling from cooling towers and other hot and cold water systems. The test kit contains components for 5 tests, but today I'll show you how to run one of those tests. Included in the kit is an adapter that has a 3/4 inch fitting and also a 1/2 inch fitting, which you can use depending on the pipe fitting types that you have. So firstly, I'll show you how to attach it to the shower. So if you detach the shower head, you can then attach the 1/2 inch fitting to the shower hose, and then next you would attach the filter, but I'll show you how to do that on the pipe fitting. So for attaching to this pipe fitting, this is a 1/2 inch pipe fitting, so we use the 1/2 inch adapter and we screw that directly into the pipe and then secure tightly. And then our next step will be to attach the filter to the adapter. So prior to doing that, we just need to check that the top cap is tight. Then attach the filter by pushing it in and then tightening the ring here to secure it. Have the port here facing downwards, and then we can take the collection bottle that comes with the kit and remove the cap.
Place it under the port, and what we're looking to do is collect 100 milliliter of water.
Now the water that's collected in here can be disposed of, it's not required for the test, and the bottle can be reused with the other tests that are in the kit. So now that we've passed the water through the filter, we've collected any Legionella bacteria within the filter. So we detach it by again turning the locking screw, and then we hold the filter in an upright position. And we take the cap from the top and we place it on the bottom of the filter. Then we take our recovery buffer that's in our syringe, and for the EU kit we have a blue cap on the syringe. We remove the blue cap and we attach it to the top of the filter. We can then invert the filter, and what we're going to do next is wash the hollow fibre filters and remove the bacteria from them and collect them into this recovery buffer solution here. So the first step to do that is to pull the syringe back to the 1 mil mark and then push the syringe plunger fully into the filter. We can then wash the filter 3 times by pulling back to the 1 mil mark and then pushing in, pulling back, pushing in, and we do that a total of 3 times. Then on the last, we pull back to 0.5 mils on the syringe and slowly push in until we get to the 0.1 mil mark. If at this point you have any large air bubbles in the collected sample, I would recommend that we pull it back again to try and remove those bubbles from the sample. It's important that the sample volume is accurate and it's not less or more than the 0.1 mil on the syringe. So we've now collected our sample and concentrated the bacteria into this solution. We can now open our test strip. It's recommended that you don't open the test strip until you're ready to run the test. Place the test on a flat surface, then remove the filter, place it to one side, and then depress the plunger to expel all of the sample onto the sample port of the test. And at this point we would start a timer for 25 minutes and let the test run for the 25 minutes and then read the test. It's important that the test is read between 25 and 30 minutes and not before 25 minutes or after 30 minutes. The test consists of two lines, a test line and a control line. If both lines are present, then the test is positive. To determine the hazard index using the visual scorecard, move the visual scorecard along until it matches the intensity of the test line, and then read the hazard index from the card. A hazard index score of 1 or greater is equal to or greater than 1000 CFU per litre, and a hazard index score of 6 or greater is equal to or greater than 10,000 CFU per litre. If the test shows one line in the control line position, then the test is negative, and Legionella pneumophilus serogroup 1 has not been detected. If no control line is present, then the test is invalid and should be repeated.